Good morning, all. This is Ritesh from grade 7. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday. Today's date is 29 September 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishwajit Patil from grade 7. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So, on behalf of it, I would like to share the thought. The thought is a beautiful, uh, a healthy heart keeps you beautiful forever. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sanchita Khoth from grade 7.
This is Vedika Poti from grade 7th.
I am Aradhya Patil from grade 7.
My name is Shravani Pawar from grade 7th.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. We are observing World Heart Day. Our heart is important as it pumps blood throughout our body. It delivers oxygen and nutrients. It keeps us alive and energetic.
Activities that can harm our heart. Eating too much junk food, that means an unhealthy diet, not exercising at all, smoking and alcohol consumption, and getting too much stress.
We can keep our heart healthy by eating fruits and vegetables, drinking enough water, exercising for at least 30 minutes a day.
Some amazing heart facts are: first, our heart is about the size of our fist. Second, it can beat when it's outside the body. Third, the heart pumps about the 5 liters of in every minute.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that keep your heart healthy because it's the only one you have got.
Eat smart, move more, and live longer.
A healthy heart starts with a healthy choice.
A healthy heart is a
Happy
happy
heart.
heart.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.